Meaning of encapsulate.
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 Encapsulate. Encapsulate means to enclose or include something within a protective or sealed container. In computer programming, it can also refer to the process of hiding the implementation details of an object and exposing only the necessary information or functions to the outside world. The result of encapsulation is improved security and maintainability of code, as well as greater ease of use for other developers who need to interact with the encapsulated object. By limiting access to the inner workings of an object, encapsulation can help prevent accidental modification or corruption of data and ensure the proper functioning of a program.